Welcome to the palace. Is this where they have weddings? I wouldn't mind getting married in a place like this fancy.
Yo, yo, yo! Good morning! Welcome back to another vlog. Another one. So today we have a very special day on our hands because, drum roll please, guys, we're going to Saudi Arabia. Today is a very special day. Me and my sister have never been to Saudi Arabia.
Never.
We're going for the first time. We're going. And you guys are coming to Saudi Arabia with us.
This is gonna be like a first for all of us. Even yo-yos are coming with us.
You ready?
Let's go. We're gonna miss our flight. We need to go ASAP.
Alright, let's go! Bro, if we miss this trip, I'm gonna kill you.
It's your bro. I'm ready. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I packed. You know, I literally packed in like an hour and I realized I didn't bring enough stuff. We're going, guys. We made it to the airport. Now we just need to quickly check in and hope to God that we're not late.
Oh, we coming. Can we check if we can upgrade to first or free? We're attempting to go first class. It's in like 1 hour. Yeah, we're late. But it's okay. We don't have any baggage.
Have any baggage, so that's okay.
Thank you.
Mission impossible.
And we tried to upgrade. The boarding was closed. We luckily made it on the flight. So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yo!
We made it onto the flight.
It's actually a very short flight, guys.
Yeah, so it's about 2 hours and then we're gonna be there. Oh, by the way, did you tell them the great news?
Guys, okay, so we just made it on the flight. We asked for the upgrade. We just got a first class upgrade. I just got an upgrade.
It's okay, I'm in business, I'm still happy.
They only have one seat in first class, so we're gonna share.
Okay, let's go see your seat, bro.
Alright, let's go. Bro.
Let me take a selfie.
This is my seat. Oh yeah.
Look at that, bro. Can you take this for me, please?
I think we can take that.
Can I take it? It's free, right? Alright guys, so check it out. This is the first class seat. Here. Bam. You got your mini bar.
Whoa.
You got a little lamp over there.
So as I said, there was only one seat available in first class, so we're gonna have to share. We're literally sharing a first class seat. Towel? You want a towel?
It's okay, I like my seat.
Alright, okay guys. This is what it looks like, guys. You have your own mirror and cream, and then over here you have like your own notepad.
Can I borrow this?
Bro, take it.
I'll be back.
I mean, we paid for the seat. And then the best thing is, if you press this button, you can actually pull out your table. And then it just goes back in like that. Alright guys, we're coming to Saudi in style. Let's go.
Peace out.
Peace. I'm back from first class and my sister stole the booklet.
No, I borrowed it.
I love you all. Please subscribe. Hey! Now the best part about first class, you have your own room. Like, that's so cool. Yo, did you see that shadow? Now I have my entire bedroom suite. Like, oh. Yo!
Where are you, bro?
Bro, I'm enjoying my life.
I was calling you, you never answered. I was worried about you.
She was calling me with this phone on first class.
And you never picked up.
So here's the thing, we've been keeping this a secret, like without telling anyone, but you guys somehow know everything.
The whole comment is saying Saudi.
So we're gonna be landing in the next half an hour, and I feel really bad for leaving my sister alone, so I'm actually gonna go back. Peace out, family first. We just made it to Saudi Arabia.
I'm excited. I've always wanted to see Saudi, so this is gonna be like a very memorable trip.
I'm gonna go back to my first class because I left my suitcase there.
Yeah.
Bro, who pays for first class and sits in business? Like, that doesn't make any sense.
A vlogger.
A vlogger.
Okay, we just made it to Saudi and we're gonna be stepping on the land soon, so I'm pretty excited. We made it, guys!
Woo! Guys, we are here!
I'm just waiting for a car.
We are officially on Saudi soil and we're about to go to the Ritz-Carlton.
Ooh.
Ooh. The truck has arrived in style.
It smells so good. Hey, look at these tissue boxes.
This is so genius. It's like a tissue box right there.
I feel like I'm going into a palace right now.
We just made it here. This place it's beautiful.
Look at this place.
This is the most beautiful hotel I've ever seen in my life.
Yo, I've never seen a hotel like this. This place is so beautiful, guys. Check it out.
So right now we're inside the hotel and I honestly feel like I'm in a palace, guys. Like, whoa! Guys, welcome to the palace.
I can't describe it, but it looks like, you know when you go to those like places where there's paintings on the ceilings? That's what they have up there. Painted the sky, so when you look up, you think you're looking up at the sky.
This is literally as good as it gets in life.
I'm speechless, guys. Guys, welcome to the palace. So we're gonna take you around this place. Like, I can't even say it's a hotel, it's like huge.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, I'm done. I'm done.
Bro, is this where they have weddings? Look at the chandeliers. The chandelier though.
Bro, I'm about to get married right now.
They turn up. They turn up.
Guys, this place is absolutely gorgeous. So right now, we're giving you guys a little behind the scene palace tour. I know you guys are just as excited as we are because this place is stunning, but this is where people kind of hold events. So
this is the next room, and one thing, the chandeliers, bro. Whoa! Do you see the ceiling? There are so many different designs in this place, like, I can't even describe it. Bro, do you notice how much detail has been put into the ceiling? This is all handmade. I don't know if you can see how big this is. It is huge. I wouldn't mind getting married in a place like this fancy.
Yo, she went straight to marriage.
I'm reserved here. I'm reserved.
You may now kiss the bride.
We need a lot of guests, bro. We got the yo-yo squad. You got 8 million of them. Oh, this is like a majlis. It's great. Wow. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna have my friends come over where we're chilling and talking and have a bit of coffee. Bruh, we need to fix our house.
Guys,
I feel so disappointed.
I feel disappointed in our house right now.
We need to change our furniture. You know, Mom, we need to go furniture shopping or furniture companies. You know, collaboration.
So listen, we're gonna go around and show you guys as much as we can because I'm super excited and I've never seen somewhere more beautiful.
You can get lost here.
You can get lost here.
Wow, the real staircase. Always love these staircases. Hold up, hold up. This is not only a staircase, there's a huge swimming pool.
Holy moly. That is the hotel tour. I think this is the best way to end it. I mean, wow.
I could swim day and night on this pool, 24/7. I'll be like an Olympic swimmer. Alright guys, we're back in the room now and this is so beautiful. The view outside, bro. That is where we came from. You see that entrance over there?
So there you go. That is a wrap to today's vlog and this is our first time in Saudi Arabia, guys. I'm super excited because tomorrow we have a crazy day ahead of ourselves. But yeah, as my sister said, this view is absolutely insane. Like, yo. Yo, you're scaring me. I'm like, no, don't drop the camera. Anyways, I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Yalla, YOLO.